Hey, I'm going to show you real quick how to build a little network on Packet Tracer, and just show you a little, if you've never used Packet Tracer, just show you a couple of things. This is a really handy tool on studying for certifications. So let's get to it. Start at the bottom left hand corner. I'll introduce you to the devices here, and you have your routers and your switches, and which everything is in this box. If you go over hubs, wireless, your connections, your end devices, WAN emulations, blah blah blah, you can see it. But if you click on the item, and now you can actually start building your network, which I'll start with routers. So let's just grab a 2811 and we'll drag it out. Let's go to switches. Oh, drag it out. You don't have to click on it, you just have to point at it and drag it. And then we'll grab an end device. Let's grab a server, and we'll grab a laptop, desktop, and this is our little network here, right? Here we'll maybe a little cloud, okay, for the internet. And so you gotta connect this stuff. If you don't know anything about these wires and connecting wires, you're not going to be able to use this until you know what connects to what. So this can be really confusing, the confusing part, if you don't know nothing about networking. But so if we go to an end device to a switch, you got to have straight through, and we'll just 0 1. Let's go 0 2. Hook it up with 0 3 to 0 1. Gotta have a whoops, what did I grab? Whoops, wrong one. Clear that out, my bad. Doesn't have a serial port. Take that off. Oh, and there's a cool thing. You can click on it, you can actually see the physical, see what it looks like physically, if that makes sense, or in real life. So yeah, this 2011 does not have a serial port, so we'll skip that. There is a way to add serial ports on this left hand side, these modules, but that's for another video. So just want to show you just really what Packet Tracer is all about. On the right hand side over here, if you look, oh here, let me hook up my console. Okay, but if you look over to the right hand side, you can cut out stuff and drag the whole screen. This is you can write how to 5 anything, right? This is delete, so knock that out. Magnify, a lot of stuff is self-explanatory or whatever. You can make shapes and colors and just play around with it. But if you don't know anything about networking, I strongly suggest doing some networking theory before coming in here and trying to tackle this thing. But I'll have some more videos on how to work this thing, and hopefully it'll help you out on your studies or help you understand networking a little better. Thanks.